I blend some of my essential oils, I'm working on a blend for my shaving soap, and every essential oil I use has got to be in there for a reason, as well as fragrance composition. So the first thing I'm going to start with, and the base is orange. Now orange is not one that will last sufficiently for it to be a single note perfume, but it brings a lot of really good cleansing qualities to whatever it's put into, whatever soaps that you have. So I'm going to start with the citrus notes, and the first one is orange or sweet orange, and I've used a combination of regular sweet orange and five-fold orange. The next thing I'm going to add is lime, and I'm just going to add about 5 mils. This is a brand new bottle, so I can tell just from wiggle. Alright, and the next thing I'm going to add is bay. Now the bay, I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon. These are stronger notes that are going to stay in the soap. Let's see if we got half a teaspoon there. Really? So I'm pretty good at eyeballing. Alright. And the next thing, I'm going to add some more citrus notes. I want this to like that so far. The next one I'm going to add is a floral note, and this is something I'm only going to use a couple of drops of. Because it's a very masculine soap, and I don't want it to come off as a less than desirable scent for my customers and my sons. And they like citrusy smells, but we need some kind of base notes to hold it anchored. This is a brand new bottle of Litzia Cubea. Oh, I just got it everywhere. See why I've got this down. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of the Litzia Cubea. Now the next next scent, but it's not really scent based, that I'm going to add is Egyptian myrrh. And now this is going to give, if I can get my lid off, hold on, I'll come right back. The last thing I'm going to add is some spruce, and you don't need a lot of that. It's going to give it that woodsy kind of smell that an outdoorsy guy may enjoy. So here's my blend, and I'll probably use about half of this. I'm going to use 1 ounce per pound, okay? Alright, so come on back and see how I mix it.